Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch NEC screen from original CCFL to our new LED kits, which is called LSR series. LSR series already mounted L-shaped aluminum reflectors. This kit comes with the 1 LED strips, 1 LED driver, and 1 wire adapters. This part number is LSR SB44220X1 2R plus MS534EXT. This is last set of numbers represented wire adapter. The reason because based on its data sheet, this screen is using a 104 PW201 CCFL inverters. So based on data sheet, so I had to use this one. See, this is the original inverter. Let me show it to you. So this is, and then after you install the light, you just connect to here. Connect your existing inverter wire harness, and then that's it. So let me show you. After that, we can test it based on its data sheet. It says with the CCFL is about 400 nits. So let's upgrade to our LED kit and test it. I have a controller board, everything tested. See how many nits they're gonna have. It's very simple. This one, you see this. Just hold down the plastic clip, pull it out. Okay. After you pull out, you just simply stick it back in our LSR series. You see this? Stick it in. Okay. And then you secure the wire by adding a piece of tape. Okay. It will move. Okay. So then you connect this one to either one. Either this one is okay. Okay. And then because it comes wire adapter is compatible with the existing inverter wire harness, you just remove your old inverter and disconnect the wire harness and connect to here. Okay, so let me turn on my color bar generators, and I'm gonna connect to the controller board. See what we get here. Okay, I'm gonna connect here. Okay. Let's flick over. Shut off overhead lights. Let me apply the trowel to it. Okay. Wow. See this? I have my menorah light meters. Okay, we can test it. $1,492. Oh, see that? 1,492 nits. Usually I measure 3 times. This is 1483. 1,483 nits. 1484. So by simply upgrading to less than 15 minutes to our LSR series, which is this LSR series, you can increase brightness almost 3 or 4 times. So thank you for watching.